In today's lesson, we're going to look at how you can find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So, what vocabulary will I need to know? First of all, the mean means the average. The median is the middle number. Try to remember median like you would a road that has a median that goes down the middle of the road. The middle is median, just like it is the middle of that road. The mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most. Mode and most sound a lot alike. The range. The range is a difference between the largest and the smallest numbers. The minimum is your smallest value, and the maximum is the largest value. So how do I find the mean? Well, again, the mean is the average. To find the mean, you are going to add up all the numbers on the list and then divide by the total number of items. So, for example, I'm going to take 0 plus 33 plus 100 plus 45 plus 66 plus 71 plus 88 plus 90. And once I've added all those numbers up, I'm going to then divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to divide by 8. And now I know that the number 0 does not have a value, but it needs to be included in your number because 0 is part of the data, and so that needs to be included in the number of items that you have. So now you'll take your calculator, you'll add them all up, and then you're going to divide by 8. So when I add them up on the calculator, I get 493 all over 8. And now I'll take the top number divided by the bottom number, and I will get a total of 61.625. So our average or our mean is 61.625. So let's look at a second example. Here is a number line that is showing a set of data. It's showing us how many books the 6th graders at Taylor Middle School read this summer. You have to note that because it's numbered by 2, but I've got some numbers in the, some items that are in between, that I need to note what these numbers are. Okay? And now because I've got 2 dots on the 1, I need to count 1 twice. So when I find my average, I'm going to find 1 plus 1, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2's, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3 3's, plus 2 4's, plus 1 5, a 6, an 11, and a 21. All right, so now I'm going to add up all these numbers, and I have to divide by the number of items that I just added up. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to divide by 15. So now you take out your calculator, you're going to add them all up. So when I added them on the calculator, I got 70 all over 15. So then I'm going to take my top number and I'm going to divide it by the bottom number, and I'm going to have 4.6, and it's repeating. So my average is 4.6 repeating. So now I need to find the median. The median, again, is that middle number. And in order to find the median, you need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, and then you're going to find the middle. So I'm going to start by having 0, 33, 45, let's see so I don't forget some, and that looks like it's 66, 71, 88, 90, and 100. So now that I have them in order, I'm going to cross them off. Take one off the smallest end, take 1 off the other end. Take 1 off here, 1 off here, 1 off here, and 1 off here. Now, we ended up with 2 middles in the number, in the middle. So if I end up with 2 numbers in the middle, you need to find the average, or the mean, of those 2 numbers. You're going to do that by taking 66 plus 71, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So I'll take 66 plus 71, and I'll divide that by 2. My median is 68.5. All right, let's find the median on this set of data. And again, this is from least to greatest already. So really, you could just take 1 off of here, 1 off of here, 1 off here, 1 off here, 1 there, there. Well, what is my middle number? My middle number, my median, is going to be, in this case, it's going to be 3. So how do I find the mode? Well, again, the mode is the number that occurs the most. So in this first set of data, I do not have any number that is repeated more than 1 time. So there is no mode here. So let's try and find the mode in this case. Well, I have 2 1s, I have 4 2s, and I don't have any other number that has more than the amount of 2s that I have. So I have a mode is equal to 2. Now let's say that I also had a data set of 4 that had 4 of those as well. If that was the case, then I would have 2 modes. My mode would be 2 and it would be 4. But I don't, so my mode here is 2. All right, so how do I find the range? Remember, the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers. So I need to locate my largest number, which is 100, and my least number, which is 0. So if I take 100 minus 0, I have a range of 100. So let's find the range here. My range, my highest number is 21, and my lowest number is 1. So I'm going to take 21 minus 1, and I'm going to get a range of 20. So how do I find the maximum and the minimum? Well, remember, the maximum is your highest number, and your minimum is your lowest number. So my maximum is my largest number, which is 100, and my minimum is my lowest number, which is 0. In this case, my largest, or my maximum number, is equal to 21, and my minimum, or my smallest, is equal to 1. So in this lesson, you learned how to find the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and the maximum and minimum amounts.